Welcome to the InfoShare Sandbox Demonstrator. I'm David Alexander, Chief Executive of MyDex. We look forward to giving you a walkthrough of what we have built for the project. Our objectives were set as demonstrating a small segment of an individual's life, Isla, at a specific age, and demonstrate how a person-centered information sharing can achieve greater outcomes for individuals and frontline teams. It's innovative, it uses GDPR, it eradicates unnecessary friction, effort, risk, and cost, and it can be used by any organization and their existing software applications and systems, and it can support two-way data and service event exchange, saves time, gets rid of FERC. Isla's story is one of the profiles that they created looking at the historical experience of young people. We're focusing in on the demonstrator over a course of a day in Isla's life, involving multiple actors, as you will see from the breakdown that we provide. These were incredibly helpful blueprints that demonstrated the journey that a young person goes on and all of the actors and people around them who are involved. As you will see, there's an awful lot of friction, effort, risk, and cost in this process today. Part of the project was mapping those disconnects, looking at the different process flows and the impact they have on delays in action and a complex experience for all of those people involved. This was reinforced throughout the project as we looked at the disparity of systems and information exchange between organizations and between departments in organizations. Operationally, we followed a structured process for configuring the sandbox, taking information from each of the work packages that fed insights and opportunities into the scope. We involved data flows, data mapping between different stakeholders. We defined Isla's story to be demonstrated. We decomposed that story into the different actors and configured that and generated data to simulate Isla's story. We populated the sandbox, prepared an overview, recording a demonstration, and creating a video. For avoidance of doubt, the sandbox has no real personal data or individuals used. It's hosted in the UK under ISO 27001 Information Security Management. Its sandbox operates identically to the live MyDex Safe Secure Cloud ecosystem in use in Scotland today. And we have created an InfoShare cluster in which Isla's story is being told and demonstrated through the sandbox. It is a simulation based on what is possible today. This picture represents what is involved in the sandbox's technical components. At the heart, you have a personal data store, you have an identity service, you have an app for people and an app for service providers, and you have a range of information services such as the Alice directory, self-managed directory service, and also curated NHS content that are all combined together to give an integrated experience and an integrated service journey. The personal data exchange is the very heart of the ecosystem, helping data to move in and out of the personal data store between the individual, their own personal networks, and the service providers that are involved in delivering service to them. There are 9 different actors involved in the sandbox demonstrator just to tell this one day in the life of an individual Isla. They're drawn from public services. We've got health visitors, social services, different roles, a nursery school teacher, even a food bank manager, and a foster parent that becomes involved during this period of time. They all have to interact with each other and exchange information in a legally compliant manner, and they need the right information at the right time in front of them in order to deliver their part of the support and service. We use two applications within the Sandbox. The first one is the People app. This is what any individual can have free of charge for life, and it allows them to navigate their life, take action, find information, manage their own schedules and referrals to service providers. And anyone can have one of those. We also provided our service provider app, as a representation of what each organization might have with their own systems to manage referrals, look at client information, and manage workflow. Many case management systems and CRM systems are in use today in social services. This is just a representation of that type of system. But any system can connect to the safe, secure cloud in a secure manner where one system talks to the other. Within our applications and APIs, we provide feature blocks used by all actors. The most significant one is the About Me feature block, which demonstrates over 700 data points across 6 modules and 59 subsections, which allows a person to accumulate information throughout their life and make it available. These are considered the top 700 data points for health and well-being, and we have developed those to the PRSB About Me standard. We have many feature blocks that we make available that are used by the actors. In all cases, all actors use the service directory, referrals, and calendar and secure messaging. Individuals get a view of their timeline so they can scroll through significant events in their life. They can create personal networks using circles of support to bring in friends and family. And they, of course, can manage their own account in terms of preferences, view logs, and manage who they're connected to. I hope that was useful information for you. Please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. And I would recommend you go and look at a video demonstration of the Sandbox, which is also available, so you can actually see it working today on the Sandbox. Thank you very much indeed.